categories. Explain this new category.
Linens. So you have been asking for linens for years and years and years. We've been here 17 years. We think we hit it out of the park here with a great assortment, with a great material that you can use, because you know you get all the fancy stuff and then you can't wash it and you can't do this and you have to iron it. No, no, and no.
Okay.
This looks like linen. It's a beautiful weight to it. We have an embroidered, beautiful satin stitched leaf design on the napkin. You're going to receive 4 of them, but they're the best part. You can put them in the washing machine when you want to go ahead and clean them.
These are going to fly. There's
I got to tell you, they're gorgeous.
A set of 4, okay, 49327. Don't wait on these.
Yes. And what I love about the napkins, again, we're going to show you how when you put them together with, of course, your placemat, there's even a place for them. I always love just kind of gathering it, sliding it in a cute little napkin ring, and you're good to go.
That's a big napkin, by the way.
Yes. Stain resistant. So again, they've already been pre-treated. So I know you're looking at it and you're like, cream, oh no, red wine, this, that, the other thing. No worries about it. They are meant to be used, meant to be enjoyed, and coordinate back. So even if you just love the idea of course, the napkin, you can display it a bunch of different ways. We did it right here cute on the lifestyle table where the leaf detail actually becomes the focus. So again, fold it however you want. Everybody can always use napkins. We don't always want to invest in holiday napkins. This is subtle enough you could use it all year round.
And affordable enough that you can use it all year round.
That's
Doesn't
amazing.
it step up, like the difference in the restaurant? Do you get the cloth napkin or do you get a little bit? Always stepped up, right?
Yes. And I know a lot of times you're like, I'm not going to use cloth napkins at home because I have to wash them and then I have to iron them. I promise you, these are those you're going to love.
That form and function thing that you do with Temp-tations.
Yes.
What is the function that you're doing here as we're wrapping this up that makes them so easy to clean?
So it's a poly blend that is made to look exactly like linen, but you don't have to baby it like the linen. And the entire collection is made the exact same way. So let's talk about our placemats here.
Here come the placemats.
Okay, I have been so obsessed and we spent so much time on this